చెప్పు.
A for apple. B for baby. C for cat. D for doll. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fox. G for goat. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jeep. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for ox. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sheep. T for tribe. U for umbrella. V vegetables. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Red, yellow, green, pink, red, yellow, green, blue, orange, violet, pink, black, white.
Excellent.
Yay!
Thank you, Jabba. Thank you.
Thank you.